Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me thank you all for being here today. Uh, I appreciate it. And my name is Ronaldi Valentino, and I will explain the presentation. The topic is total physical response. The next slide is group member. The group member is Yovita Cahya Putri, Fatra Vertika, and Renaldi Valentino. Okay, the next point is what is TPR? The TPR, a little more uh, on TPR background. Total physical response is a language teaching, a method built around the coordination of speech and action. This method tries to teach language through physical motor activity developed by James Asher and Professor of Psychology at St. Joe's State University, California. It draws on several traditions, including development psychology, learning theory, and human education, as well as on the language teaching procedure proposed by Harold and Dorothy Palmer in uh, 2025. And the next slide will be read by Yovita.
Okay, thanks, moderator. I will continue the material. Hypothesis. This refers to several different understanding of origin of language teaching, which provide confidence that comprehension abilities are productive abilities in language learning. Teaching speaking should be postponed until comprehension skills are established. Skill acquired through the transfer of hearing the other skills. Teaching should be on meaning rather than from, and teaching should minimize students. Next slide. Okay, next, what is the connection to the classroom? Number one, TPR is not only always dancing and singing song. Generally, we revert to body movement with instruction to engage learners. Number two, students learn by identifying a certain key point to some action. Number three, TPR can be used for all curriculum, literacy, science, math, and so on. Next slide. Next, what are advantages of TPR? Number one, fun and easy, student enjoy activity. Number two, simple TPR activities do not require a great deal of preparation on the part of the teacher. Number three, TPR is inclusive and works well a class with mixed ability levels. And number four, good for kinesthetic learners who need to be active in class. Okay, that's all for me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Yovita. We move to the next point. Will be read by Fatra Vertika. Fatra. Time is yours.
Thank you, Ronaldi. So I continue the slide. So point 5 is good tool for building vocabulary. And 6, action help build connection in the brain. And 7, helps learner achieve fluency faster immersing immersing learners in activity that involve them in situational language use. And 9, and 8, got instructional practice for ESRS in their silent period. And the last, work well for child and adult learners. And next slide. And principle. The teacher used order the most part of the time, and the communication with her or his student in class is practiced in this way. And the actives in class privilege the development of the listening and comprehend, and the meta respect the initial silence of student or silent period. Approach. In language theory essay, I indirectly talks about the nature of language or how language is organized. However, the naming and ordering of TPR practice classrooms seems to be built on the assumption that providing much structure or grammar is based on a linguistic view. And learning theory asserts theory of language learning is reminiscent of the views of the other behavioral psychologists. For example, psychologist Arthur Jensen proposed a 7-stage model to describe the development of verbal learning in children. Next. Design. Purpose. The general purpose of cycle response is to teach oral skills at an early level. Comprehension is a means to an end, and the ultimate goal is to teach basic speaking skill. And 2, syllabus. The type of syllabus used by ESSER can be deduced from the analysis of the types of exercise used in the TPR class. This analysis refers the use of sentence-based in syllabus by prioritizing grammatical and lexical criteria in selecting teaching materials. And 3, type of learning and teaching activity. Imperative exercise is the main class activity in total cycle response. And this exercise is usually used to obtain cycle action and activity on the part of the learner. And for student role, the learner in total physical response as the main role as listener and doer, and thus they listen attentively and respond cyclically to command given by the teacher. And the last, teacher role. Teacher play active and direct role in total cycle response. The instructor is the director of a stage play where the student are the actor. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for Fatra. That's our presentation. Thank you all for your attention. If you want to ask the group, let's discuss into the learning. Type your asking and we will answer. Okay, thank you. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.